Good, what's good? What's up? How you doing? My name is your boy.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Richest, and if you are here on my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell notification down below so that every time I post a video, you will be alerted first. And please don't forget to like and comment on my video. So welcome back. It's another day, another dollar lay. Your boy Richest is back in the building right now, giving you some good news, giving you some special news, updating you, entertaining you, and also educating you. So it's time to subscribe to 30,000 subscribers. Up to 29,700 subscribers. Please kindly subscribe so that we reach 30,000 subscribers. By the way, thanks for the support that I've been receiving from you people out there who have been watching my content. I appreciate. So the first news that I have for you for today is that Drifter Drake wants a boxing match with Nezron. Okay, so actually Drifter Drake had seen, is it a boxing match between Casper Nyovest and Islivo aka on Twitter. Yes, I think it's on Twitter where he had seen the tweet, which and the boxing match will be held in 2021. Okay, so even Drifter Drake had said that I would also want to have a boxing match with Nezron. Mwaitamba kaida abantu bali kwata beef bala mwaitamba mwaida in my interviews bale randa once bale randa pomamo enfilafin. So yatsika kwat Nezron aisa imba Drifter Drake murimbo rwaka kebiuru my diary part 8 omwaishire imbati areko kwangala na abayiche bali abena Drifter Drake if I imbere Nezron. So yadi bani beef but kwi boxer trero yaka match akongatika chitika, please trero rera mwende sheko. Okay, so the other news that I have for you for today is that Chandana K wants to fill up Woodlands Stadium in Lusaka on the 24th October 2020. Okay, so these guys Chandana K have, I've blown up on social media like hell, man. Konso kole and Chandana K, konso kole and nyimbo shabena Chandana K. Okay, music with that type of music, it's very unique and it's dope. I can't lie. Chandana K's music is dope, very much dope. Okay, no one wouldn't dance to the songs of Bena Chandana K. Na we say fia kaba na bene barisa 2020 yesu bari mbabene mwaitamba. Okay, so these guys, they have a dream of filling up the Woodlands Stadium, filling up Woodlands Stadium in Lusaka on 24th October 2020, which is our Independence Day in Zambia. Okay, so celebration ikaba Woodlands Stadium abena Chandana K bakabako kuria, but therefore yokuita fill up. So please, people out there, kindly support these guys. They are really producing good music. Kindly go there, watch their show. Batamba kufe mwamba supporta kofi bari kwata dream at bakesushe Woodlands Stadium. And you people out there with bena Chandana K nimo mwingarengo kwebata dream ya guys aba ikese ku life. Okay, so kindly support these guys. Go there, go and watch their show on 24th October. That's Independence Day in Zambia. The celebration will be held in Woodlands Stadium, where Bena Chandana K will perform. Okay, so the other news that I have for you for today is that Yo Maps supports is baby mama's business of my t-shirts. Okay, so Yo Maps is ex, the baby mama Mwizukanji. She owns a business of t-shirts, selling t-shirts. Okay, I don't know about them about hustle, something like that. Mwana sana pamwela pa ma celebrities having bade afuara sana mashati yaka Mwizukanji, the baby mama of Yo Maps. Okay, so apa pakati apa kwaliko tuma confusion fila bale pusana Yo Maps na girlfriend wakwe bale pusana na ba baby mama ba Mwizukanji kwaliko tuma pressure ba Mwizukanji badilanda ko side yabo na ba Yo Maps badilanda ko side yabo nomba ina pa shikwete okondi ndife pakati ifya mu industry finga afikonka sana tu alufya nchamu parast waranda nefshiripo ine ndife pakati fya kuishwa bene nga kuri wachinga no wabu fifwe kuba fe pakati. Okay, so Yo Maps had posted a video on not Lily Yo Maps but Mwizukanji had posted a video on our Facebook page, you know, which is showing Yo Maps advertising the same t-shirt brand of Mwizukanji. Even if you a problem, but they are still best friends. That's what Yo Maps had said in an interview with Helen. He had said that even if we are having problems or we are facing, you know, relationship issues, at least I would like to remain best friends with my baby mama Mwizukanji. So bachidi bale mfana balalanda bonse barachita communicate. So I posta ka video pa Facebook akene inshaleta advertise brand ya ba Mwizukanji ba baby mama. Watch the video, guys.
Good, what's good? What's up? How you doing? My name is your boy Yo Maps, aka Mr. Finally. Kale is perfect for me, Mr. Single, Mr. Nafimbi, Fiashana, Nefilesa. Yeah, get yourself a hustle t-shirt. Nakulanda ko posa fenster. Good, what's good? What's up? How you doing? My name is your boy Yo Maps, aka Mr. Finally. Kale is perfect for me, Mr. Single, Mr. Nafimbi, Fiashana, Nefilesa. Yeah, get yourself a hustle t-shirt. Nakulanda ko posa fenster.
Okay, so the main news that I have for you for today is that Makitu responds to fake news of him talking about HH's wealth. Okay, so there was this post which was circulating on social media, which was claiming that Makitu had requested HH, the president of the opposition party in Zambia, Mr. Hakainde Hichilema. Okay, Makitu had requested that Mr. Hakainde Hichilema should tell the public where he got his wealth from. Okay, at Makitu had been invited at is it Hot FM radio. That's where he was interviewed at pafia kwa HH oparandati ba HH bafude balanda ko bashifumisha ndala mashidia noti munshiromo babo mfeshe yakwiba mwamone nfafine fo post yo yare claiming. But Makitu has decided to respond to those fake rumors. You know, he had posted a certain post on his Facebook page where he had said something like, this is propaganda. You need to hear things from the horse's mouth. Not mwamfafi abantu baisa balanda mwafisenda nokufisenda mwaida ine mwaitamba. So Makitu had said that there are about 4.8 million youths in Zambia, which is about 36.7% of the total population of Zambia. They are on social media. Okay, so at least you as Zambian youths, you should make sure that you find out, you know, real things. Like you need to research, because information is all over social media. So we as youths, we should make sure that we research. If we, you know, receive any information which we are not sure of, we must try by all means. Tanguni Makitu tumwamuta contact. Okay, ba Makitu de umfatidi ashirenu dilenda so na so na so atumadila ndefya so na so babuga kutu ata dispo ndefya dembe. Okay, so yakitika kwe bat Makitu nata respond at teo alandile and pareke abantu kumubepesha filia momone taile panga sense ere akwebati babuga bambo okulanda pali pati imbi mwamone naine nali mwene news yakale nomba nsharifu kwiranda bapamulanda bakwebati nali shwati shikwete po proper evidence na kwebati nangola panga video na sala ndati okay evidence yapa napa maitamba. So Mark II had said that about the same post which was circulating on social media, that he had requested that Mr. Hakainde Hichilema, the president of the opposition party in Zambia, should be accounted for, for his wealth that he has. Okay, he should disclose where he got his wealth from. Okay, so this is the news that I had for you for today. Thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe, ring that bell notification down below so that every time I post a video you will be alerted first. And please don't forget to like and comment on my video. Bye bye. It's your boy Richest.